Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. I've been thinking about routines lately. Some days I feel very productive. I wake up early, I stretch, I drink water. I do all of the things that I say I would do. And other days, I just want to lie in bed and scroll on my phone. And that's okay too. But I'm learning that the best way is to start with small good habits, like making your bed, going for a short walk, and eating a healthy breakfast. I also love writing in the morning. It helps me stay focused. What about you? What's one thing that you do every day that helps you feel good? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about social media. Social media is kinda a weird thing, right? Sometimes I love it. I get inspired by new ideas. I laugh. I learn new things. And I stay connected with the people that I love. But other times, it just makes me feel tired or like I'm not doing enough. I start comparing myself to everyone. Their perfect photos or their perfect lives. So lately, I've been trying to use social media differently. I try to post honestly my true self, because at the end of the day, I don't want to spend my whole life looking at a screen. What about you? How do you feel about social media these days? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I am at home. I came back home. I like talking about home. I like thinking about home. Home brings nice feelings. It warms my heart to be around my family. And when I was younger, I had lots of different homes in Nebraska, Iowa, Pachuca, Puebla. But for me, my home has always been wherever my family is. My mom, my dad, my brother, and my sister make home for me. And of course, my comfortable bed and chair and desk to work? What makes you feel at home? Comment your answers down below.
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I bought some new shoes. They look like Uggs, but they're not. Uggs were too expensive, so I found these. They look like Uggs, but way cheaper. They are soft and comfy, and I always buy soft clothes. Soft clothes that I can wear everywhere. I always wear loose pants, big soft shirts, and comfy shoes. I don't like to wear clothes that make me feel uncomfortable. I don't like wearing shoes that make my feet hurt. What about you? Do you prioritize your clothes to look good or to feel comfortable?
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for English beginner listeners. Today, I want to talk about my glasses. These are my glasses. I bought them on Amazon. Do you know what Amazon is? Amazon is an online store where you can find different products. Do you like to shop online? What's your favorite online store? Why? My favorite online store is Amazon because you can find anything. Glasses, computers, notebooks, or even headphones. Check out my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I am in Mexico City. Mexico City has the best food I've ever tried. More than Vietnam, more than Thailand. I truly love staying in Mexico City. Even though the air is very dirty, it's not clean, and sometimes I feel congested. But despite all of the negatives, I love Mexico City. The food, the people, the life at night, and of course, the culture. What's your favorite city to stay in? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about some ways that I improved my English pronunciation. When I was a little girl learning a second language, I hated not being understood by others. So I would try every day to get feedback from my pronunciation from my teachers and friends. Practice makes perfect. There's an incredible app that I found that listens to your pronunciation and corrects you in real time.
The app is called Bold Voice.
For example, salmon looks like the pronunciation would be salmon.
The app shows me that the L is pronounced like M.
Just like a teacher would, it gives you feedback immediately. You can even watch lessons with Hollywood accent coaches to help with any words you struggle saying. You should try the 7-day free trial to start getting feedback on your English pronunciation.